Hey folks, Bob here, Bob's Classic Cars and Parts, and I'm back over here at John's garage in Wake Forest, and he's got a 68 Buick Skylark in his shop, and he's doing exhaust manifold gaskets on this car. This is a beautiful car. It's a 352 barrel. Look at this bumper, that chrome. Look how nice that chrome and the grill. The bird dropping it was sitting outside for a little while. I don't mind that. It's got a little bit of pollen on it. You know, it's that time of year. Dark blue, beautiful. I think he said it was painted just last year. Looks like the windshield has been replaced. Is this a club? Youngsville Cruisers?
Yeah.
Okay, I hadn't heard about that. I gotta get in the loop, folks. I live right here and I hadn't heard about that. A little cramped in here, folks. A little cramped. Look at, I love the tail end of this car. That's sexy right there. That's pure sexy. Little skinny tail lights. Look at that. It's a good looking car. I like the styling of these. It's got the little Buick road wheels like the Magnum 500 style. Notice how the trim, folks, comes down the door. It goes right down the body line to the quarter panel, to the wheel opening. Isn't it cool how they did that? Let me see if I can get you in here a little bit better. That's pretty cool. The trim looks pretty decent too. I see a few little bumps in it. Check that out. See a lot of cars. I had a Chrysler, I had a 66 Chrysler that had something like that going on the fender. He's a member of the Buick Club of America. Another thing I saw that was neat about this car, I really like the way they did the steering wheel. That's cool. I've always been a fan of those rectangular instrument clusters. It's real easy to read. And look at the gauges in the little gauge pod over there, folks. Let's see if I can get you in there. You see that? That is really cool. I like that. And the cup holder builder, is that factory, John? The cup holder in the, no, okay, okay, he just put a Buick in. I see what he did. He put this little emblem on it to make it look factory. He trying to trick old Bob. Who do you think he is? The thumb wheel controls. Got us a good headliner in it. Look at those door panels. Really nice looking, tasteful looking door panels. This is a beautiful car. It really is. The glass is good and clean in it. Oh, just notice this. Look at the strips on the trunk. There's a little bit of a body line here too. I don't know if you can see it. You see it right here? Nice body line. It's trimmed out in this stainless trim. Very nice car. Beautiful car. I want to thank John for letting me do that. I come by here all the time. John's always nice to me. He must not know me very well. Let's have a look at the engine here. He's putting exhaust manifold gaskets on it. It's a 352 barrel. It's got power disc brakes in the front. He said the man put tubular control arms on it too.
Four-wheel disc brake.
Oh, he's got four-wheel disc brakes. Okay. Wow. Cool. It's an air-conditioned car, factory air. I bet this is a very, very enjoyable car to drive. I really do. Now, why are the hood hinges painted silver? Is that factory?
No,
I think he did that. They kind of give a fake chrome look to them or something.
yeah, he painted them himself, I think.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, the master cylinder silver too. Okay, some of his doings, I guess. All right. Okay, folks, I hope you enjoyed that. It's a cool old car here. 68 Buick Skylark. You guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and that bell notification. That way you'll get notified when any new videos come out. We've had a nice little surge in membership growth and a nice surge in viewership. Keep it up, folks. We really appreciate you guys appreciating us bringing you cool cars.